Hello, my name is Rowan Skibbin and I am a member of the Hitachi Solutions Business Analytics team. Thank you for watching this demonstration of our Retail Customer 360 and Churn Prediction solution. I'm excited to show this solution to you today as we've done some pretty cool stuff. So an important question for those of us working in retail has and remains, who are our customers? How do we best understand them, their purchasing behaviors, and how do we provide them with the best experience suited to their unique needs? At Hitachi, we understand the importance of this knowledge, and we've designed a solution that uses data to provide a 360 view of our customers and then leverage that data a step further and predict customer churn. All of this in order to facilitate customer retention. In our first dashboard, 360 view of our customer, a segmentation of our customer base is grounded in the information we have collected about them. We see the average age, average monthly spend, and average annual income of our customers. Education levels, gender, and location. In this dashboard, if we were to select the state of Arizona, for example, we can see that the information will be filtered down to just the demographics of those in the state of Arizona. We now see the average age, monthly spend, and average annual income of those in Arizona, as well as the breakdown of their education, male and female, and their income groupings. What we have done here with this 360 view dashboard of our customer is we've taken our data and using the tried and true methods of good traditional analytics, we've developed a dashboard to create a profile of your customer to help facilitate understanding. Now let's take this a step further and view our second dashboard. In our second dashboard, we now take the same customer information that we built our demographics, our 360 customer view dashboard, and we feed this through a machine learning model to help present or predict the percent likelihood of our customers to churn. We can see here that we have a base churn rate of 9.21%. This is for our entire customer base. Also of interest to us is if we take a look at this chart on the right, we can see here that there's a split between our customers, those who are over 40 and those who are under 40. It looks like customers who are under 40 are almost twice as likely to leave us than those who are over. We can also filter our predictions of churn to see the profile in different customer segments. For example, if I select males, we see that my base churn rate for males is 8.92%. And if I select females, we see that our base churn rate is 9.49%, shy of half a percentage point difference between males and females. We can further segment or slice our customers by selecting, for example, an education level. If we choose high school education or lower for females, and we take a look at our churn demographics graph here by age, we can notice that the effect due to age, the likelihood to churn due to age, now appears to wash out a little bit. We no longer have as clear a split between those who are over 40 and those who are under 40. In our third dashboard, the campaign prediction dashboard, we can now use the prediction of churn and apply this to hypothetical marketing campaigns. A common scenario is a simple sale, a reduction in price to try and draw in more customers or keep our existing ones. But we need to be more precise with our marketing campaigns and understand where exactly we can implement different campaigns to their maximum effect. If we take a look at our base campaign where prices are at 100%, across the United States, we see our baseline churn of 9.21%, and no change because we haven't implemented anything. However, if we use a campaign that hypothetically decreases our prices by 5% for a period of 1 year and targeted at women, we notice that our overall churn doesn't decrease enough to offset the loss of revenue from that decrease in price. We're only able to decrease the baseline churn of this group by 0.78%, and we still end up with a net loss from this campaign. However, if we take a closer look of our map, we'll notice that the state of Minnesota, our churn campaign is actually quite effective for our target group here. Among women, we've managed to cut the baseline churn in half by 4.5%, down from 9%. This has led to an increase in revenue for the 1 year period of $43.6 thousand. The potential here for our marketing users is that they're able to target and be precise in how they deploy their campaigns and execute these campaigns with confidence in the returns that they can expect to see. Now, if we look at our fourth dashboard, the campaign simulation dashboard, we can take our simulations one step further. We want to examine the effect of our various marketing campaigns over time. Each of our 4 campaigns are represented here on these 4 charts over a period of 12 weeks. If we look at our 10% price reduction campaign, the first chart here, and simulate the effects over 12 weeks, just pull the play axis back here, select the track history, and play. We see that we're not only able to produce just a small effect in our churn over time. However, we're also suffering a pretty significant loss in revenue. This we don't like to see. Let's move on. If we take a look at our 5% reduction campaign, we play the effects out over time. We can see that we don't initially see an initial decrease in churn. It takes us a little bit of time. In fact, in the first 5 weeks or so, we're losing revenue due to this campaign. However, if we let this campaign run a little bit longer, we start to see that churn does increase or decrease rather, the effect on churn. And we also start to see our revenue increasing again. This is something that we would not have been able to tell if we didn't simulate the impact of our churn, the campaign on our churn over that 5-week period. Finally, let's take a look at if we increase our prices by 5%. If in some situation we need to increase our prices, what does that look like? Just play our simulation here. And what you can see is that initially we do in fact observe an increase in revenue. In fact, around the 4 or 5 week mark, we still see an increase in revenue without much impact to churn. However, after that 4 or 5 week period of increased prices, we now see our revenue sharply decrease and spin towards the left. What the lesson here is that we need to be careful how long we run this campaign for, how long we let those prices stay that high, or we can start to expect losses from our customers. So to recap, what we've seen here today is a solution that takes customer data and walks us through a journey from traditional descriptive analytics, providing us with a 360 view of our customer, facilitating that understanding of our customer base, and we next apply predictive analytics on this same customer data to help us understand who is churning and more likely to leave us. Finally, we take a look at how our marketing campaigns impact this churn rate on our customers, thus giving us the ability to be targeted in our initiatives that we adopt. We here at Hitachi hope you found this demonstration of our Customer 360 and churn prediction solution interesting. And we hope that it has given you some idea regarding how we use Power BI here to improve the performance of our customers. Thank you very much for watching.